Hi everybody, it's Jose Luis Morales with Remax, a real estate company. So I wanted to reach out to my database. We have a job opportunity here at the Morales Group. We're growing, we're expanding. We're looking for a closing coordinator, somebody to help us from the point our transaction goes in escrow to the point that it closes. We're looking for somebody that's motivated. We're looking for somebody that's driven. We're looking for somebody that's hardworking. We're looking for somebody with a positive attitude. We're looking for somebody that is looking to join a team with great ambitions and looking for someone to help us provide great customer service to all of our great clients. If you or anybody that you know is in the job market, has considered getting into real estate, but maybe doesn't want to do the real estate sales aspect of it, give us a call. Our phone number is 805-228-4671, or apply at the link below. Apply at the link below and you can submit your application. So we're hiring, great pay, great environment, great benefits. Morales Group looking for a closing / transaction coordinator, hardworking, strong work ethic, driven, great customer service. If you or anybody that you know knows of anybody that is looking to get into real estate, looking to get in the administrative side, looking to be part of something great, give us apply at the link below. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.